Who will complete the sentence? I use water for. Lochan, can you tell me? For what you use water? Hmm. Drinking, bathing, and that's all. Chinmay, tell me. I use water. Drinking, bathing, okay. Brushing, so you say, I use water for brushing. Okay, good, very good. Now Chinmay will tell. I use water for. Okay, now Advayat will tell me. I use water for. Uh, I request Vishal sir not to join from two for cooking. Okay, so Advayat use water for cooking. Now I want Chinmay to tell me. Chinmay, you did not wash your face, huh? Should you sit for a class like this? Morning, you have to wake up early. Get ready. Good morning, Sanjay. Okay. Now you think and tell me. By the time Sanjay will answer me. I, good morning. I use water for. Kashvi will answer. Tell me. I use. Good, Samruti. Good morning. Tell me. I use water for. Tell me, Kashvi. Good morning, children. Shh. I love how Chinmay does the work. He will speak and put his phone back on mute. You will speak and back on mute so that I can listen to other children. Okay. Back to mute. Lochan, your mobile back, phone back on mute. Yes, Kashvi, answer me. I use water for plants. I use water for watering the plants. Good. Now, who else is left who has not answered? I would like to see the picture of the child, Nagraji. I don't know who is there. Nisarga, tell me. You use water for? Cleaning. Very good. Okay, so you have given me so many things. You use water for cooking, drinking, bathing, then making tea. Isn't it? So many places, everywhere. The morning when you wake up, you need water for brushing your teeth, for freshening up, for bathing, for cooking your breakfast. Yes, Samruti, what you want to tell? Your mobile is on mute, child. Whoever wants to speak something, no. They should make a action, okay? They should raise your hands so that I'll be able to see who wants to speak, okay? Now, you all have to learn one more thing. When I tell somebody's name, they should be able to unmute themselves and they should be able to mute themselves immediately after speaking. The way you have done today morning now, no? You all are speaking and immediately putting your mobiles on mute. Very good. Now you all have told me that you are using water for so many things, isn't it? Now you would have seen when you go early morning in the park. Okay, when you go to the park early morning, you will see there are droplets of water on the leaves. Is it also water? Yes, very good, Samruti. It is also water. We call it dew and it is water only. Okay, now does water exist only in liquid form in our life? If you are feeling thirsty and the water you see, you think the water is very hot, I want to drink little cold water. So what will you put in the water? What will you put in the water? Ice cubes. Now, ice cubes किससे बनते हैं? From what you will get ice cubes? Water only. Very good. So, ice is also water. Dew is also water. Have you seen boiling water? All of you tell me. Raise your hands who has seen boiling water. Who has seen? Nisarga has seen boiling water. Wow, very good. Many of you have seen boiling water. Now, when you see boiling water, there is some steam. Please mute yourself. Kindly. Please. Uh, I want everybody to mute. Please. Everybody mute yourself. Yes. Now, you all have seen boiling water. When the water is please parents, please don't talk with the child. आवाज यहाँ पर आ रही है. Please. Okay. Now, you all have seen boiling water. On boiling water, what do you see? Parents, Lochan. Yes. On boiling water, what you will see? When water boils, what? Bubble. And above that, did you see any steam? Huh? Vapors will be there when you put the lid on the bartan, that utensil. Fog. Okay, very good. We don't call it as fog. We call it steam. But there is dhua. Some kind of dhua is there. So we call that dhua? Steam. So there are water in many forms. It is also water now, which is evaporating and going up in the air. Isn't it? So you all have learnt it last year. Okay. Now again we'll just revise it. Okay. What is that? 3 forms of what? Water. So there are 3 forms of water. What are the 3 forms? Just wait. I'll be present. Nah. Yes. Now I will give one responsibility to Lochan. Today Lochan will be our manager. Madam will be presenting her screen and Lochan is sitting and seeing. When the screen goes, only Lochan will inform me. If any disturbance is there, who will inform? Lochan. every day we will be having a new manager. Okay. So I'll be sharing my screen and you all will see. Okay. But who will inform me if my screen is not seen? Lochan. Okay. Daily one child will be the manager. Can Lochan see my screen? Can you all see the PPT? Lochan? Can you see the PPT? Okay. Don't move. Please put your mobiles on silent. Mute it. Don't touch it. Nobody will touch their mobiles, please. So, we studied different forms of water. One is dew, normal water, this steam, and this ice. What are all they? Ice is called solid. What it is called? Solid. Yes. Water or dew or liquid for tea or juices. Everything is liquid form of water. And the last one, steam, that you see above the boiling water. It is called gas. What it is called? Gas. Yes. So these are the three forms of water. Now, yesterday I sent you all one what? Jamboard. Okay. Parents, don't talk, please. Please keep your phone on mute. So, I told you to make a table. In holiday homework, I gave you to make a table. Okay. I request parents to be on time. See, when we don't come on time, when nobody will eat during the class. This is not the time to eat. Isn't it? You should be eating, brushing your teeth, waking up early, and being ready for the class. This is not the way. Isn't it? Now, I told you all to make a table. Okay. Table for the name, number of buckets you use in a day. You all were given this holiday homework. How many buckets, which activity you use. Then I told you to try to reduce the use of water. When I told you to reduce, what I meant? Did I tell you to reduce drinking? Did I want you to reduce drinking water? No. We should drink proper 8 to 9 glasses of water daily. That too, nowadays we should drink lot of water. What type of water? Hot water. We should use water, it is for us. But we should not waste water. Because if we will waste water, what will happen? Soon we will be having no water to drink. So, if you have no water, just imagine a day, if there is no water, what will happen? You won't be able to cook. Yes. You cannot brush your teeth. Can you brush your teeth without water? No. So, for that, I just wanted you to see how much water you use. If you are using 2 buckets in bathing, you should use 1 bucket. And where all you are wasting water, that you can come to know when you will fill this table. Observe the whole day, where all you use water, how you use water, and how can you reduce the water consumption. One child, some of the children filled it, but somebody else has deleted it. Okay, so you all have to be careful. I'll teach you when I send you a Jamboard how you should send the answer. See here, this is the sticky note. Just click on the sticky note. Okay, so you will get a sticky note. For example, I want to write my name, Karishma. So I'll just save it and cancel. Now I can just simply put it here. This much you all are supposed to do when I send you a Jamboard. Okay, you should not touch everybody's work. Some children wrote that they stopped putting the tap on while brushing. They started using a mug for brushing their teeth. Okay, then you all have to find out what all ways you can reduce the water consumption in your house. For example, instead of using a shower, please put your mobiles on mute, parents. Instead of using a shower, you can use a bucket. Instead of using a hose pipe for cleaning your car or bike or cycle, you can use a bucket and a mug and a cloth to clean your vehicles. Now I gave you some quizzes. Before you answer my quiz, I want you all to tell me from where do you get water? Some of my friend told me I get water from tap. One of my friend told me that I get water from tanky, which my father fills in the morning. From where you all get the water? Tell me, Anjan. What? Tap. Okay. Jagat Surya, tell me. From where you all get the water? You all can type it here. Type your answers in the chat box. Please mute the phone if there is a movement in the house. Okay. Now tell me, from where you get the water? Raise your hand. Who wants to tell? Yes? Tell me. From where you get the water? Tell me. Tell me, child. Rain. Rain. Very good. Correct. Your mobile is on mute, child. Rivers. Ice mountains. Very good. So, there are so many places, so many sources. When we tell tap and tankies, from where those taps and tankies are filled? They are filled from rainwater, rivers, ice mountains, and so many other places. So, from where we get water? We have a quiz for that. Okay. I asked, I am some mountains covered with snow. The mountain melts and forms. Very good. Jagat Surya has given the river. Very good. The answer is river. Then our next question. I am a large source of water and a part of largest source of water. I have a salty taste. Okay. Now, ocean is the largest part. This is the large part. Ocean is the largest part, child. Tell me, ocean is large or largest? Is there anything bigger than ocean? No, there is nothing bigger than ocean. Then what is this large part? Which is sea. Very good. So this is sea. Now sea water is a salty water. Can you use a salty water for drinking? Can we use sea water for drinking? No, we cannot use. Very good. Correct, Ram. We cannot use. So this is Salty. But this is the largest parts. Oceans and seas are salty. We cannot use them for drinking. So how much water is left for drinking? All the river water is also going in sea. Slowly, what will happen? We'll be having no water. So what we have to do? We have to save water. Now some of my children will be thinking, if seawater is not apt for drinking, is it waste? Is the seawater waste, children? It is waste. No, why it is not waste? Where it is used? Yes, seawater is salty. So from seawater what we can do? We can make salt which we use daily in our houses. Okay. Now next. In the plains, rainwater collects to form. Now when I ask this question, rainwater collects everywhere. In your terrace, in the rivers, in the in your mugs, wherever you want, in the oceans, everywhere. But which are the places which depend on rainwater for filling? Which are the sources of what? Well, okay. Well also are filled from rainwater. What else? Think about it. Is there something where water comes only from rainwater? Only. In well we get underground water. ट्यूबवेल में रेन से पानी आता है. Tubewell is type of tap, no? How you will fill rainwater in a tap? River gets well. Oh, have you ever heard about ponds? Ponds and lakes. Ponds and lakes are a closed body. Okay. For rivers, we'll get water from ice mountains, isn't it? When our ice mountains melts, we get river. But ponds doesn't get water from ice mountains because they are closed. They are small. Okay, so ponds and lakes depends on rainwater. If rain is not there, the ponds and lakes will. Please put your mobiles on mute, please. Parents, mute. Anjan, Anjan, mute. Mute your mobile, Anjan. Yes. So, ponds and lakes are the. Anjan, what did I tell you? Don't mess with the mobile. Sit back. Don't see the screen with so close. Sit back the way all are sitting. Child, don't touch your mobile. I'll mute you. Yes. So, in the plains, rainwater collects to form ponds and lakes. Okay. Anjan, sit back. Take 5 steps back from your mobile. Who is this? Minku. Minku Singh. Yes. Now, all these which we have talked about, okay. Now, ponds, lakes, oceans, seas, rivers, all these water sources, where they are? On the water or below the water? Tell me. They are on the water or below the water? Sorry, below the land or on the land? Uh, river is below the land. On the land, yes, they are on the land. Okay, so they are all called surface water. What we call them? Surface water. Surface, surface, because they are on the surface of earth. What they are called? Surface. Yes. What are all surface water? First one is rivers. You all told no just now. Now, when I say river, I have a question for you all. We all have a national bird. What is our national bird? Peacock. What is correct? Close your mouth, mute yourself. Yes. Then what is our national fruit? Mango. What is our national? Don't answer. Mute yourself. Do not answer, children. Mute yourself. The same way we have a national river. This is the question for you all. You all will type here in the message box who knows which is our national river. In the end of the class, I will tell you what is our national river. You all should know our national things. Then this is one surface water. Now you all tell me about a river in your state. See, I am from Delhi. Very good. Correct. Ganga. River Ganga is our national river. Very good. Correct answer. Very good, Nisarga. Now, we all know now what is our national river. What else we should know? For example, I am from Delhi. So I know which river flows in Delhi. Near my house, which river? Which river? Yamuna. Similarly, near your house in your state, which river flows? Kaveri river. So many. So yes, very good. So the answer is told once. Once the answer is told, yes, Ram. So Ram is from which state? He near his house, MP. So in MP, which river flows? Narmada. So we should all know about our surrounding, isn't it? So Ram knows about his place. We all know about our places, isn't it? So first thing what we should know is our place. So in our place, which river flows? Isn't it? Now, next, national river is Ganga. Next, what is this? One more surface water. What is this? I know you all know it, isn't it? Waterfalls. What are waterfalls? Do you know? Mute yourself. I will tell you all when to unmute now. Now onwards, I will tell you all when to unmute and who will unmute. Okay. Now, do you know waterfalls are also rivers? How many of you know waterfalls are also rivers? Mute, mute. I want you to mute yourself. Mute yourself. Yes, very good. Now, do you know waterfalls are also rivers? Waterfalls are the rivers which fall from the mountains. When the river falls from the mountains, they become waterfalls. Then there are streams. Please mute yourself, children. No noise in the class. Now you all will listen only. No one will answer. Okay, you all will be quiet now for 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes. Next is streams. Streams are also rivers which are smaller and less wide. Small rivers are streams. Then ponds. See how ponds are closed. Can water come here from anywhere else? No. So how they are filled? From rainwater. Okay. Then comes the lakes. Nobody will speak what I told. Isn't it? Quite. Lakes. Lakes are also closed bodies. They are also closed. But they are little bigger than ponds. Then springs. Now what is springs? Do you know what is springs? Springs are the water which comes from the ground. Sometimes from the cracks of the ground, water comes out. This water is called spring. Okay, at some places, the mountains, the earth have a crack, and from that crack, the water start coming out. Those are called springs. Okay, now we come to our fourth puzzle. Dash seeps into the ground and gets collected under it. What seeps into the ground? What goes into the ground? Water. Sometimes rainwater. So rainwater seeps into the ground and gets collected under it. Now when water seeps into the ground, goes into the ground, under the ground, what we will call that water? What will what will call? Groundwater, underground water. So will underground water will be a safe? Do not speak. Just move your head. Keep yourself on mute. Mute, 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 mute. Mute children. Quickly you should mute yourself after speaking. Yes. Now underground water. When we tell underground water, is underground water a surface water? If you will move your face, I will be able to see. Yes or no? Just move yourself. Move your head. Yes or no? Is underground water. The water which is below the ground. It is not on the surface of the ground. It is below the surface. Is it a surface water? No. It is not surface water. It is underground water. Now, our question is, how do we use underground water? Because the water is below the ground. Can you dig and drink one glass of water? No. Can you have some stairs into the ground and go and get one bucket of water? No. So how do we use underground water? How do we use? Hmm? Yes. You would all have seen a thing where there is a long rope. People tie a bucket on that rope, put that bucket down, and take water, bring water homes in villages generally. What is that? What is that place called? Well, yes. So, wells are made to take the underground water. So, how the wells are filled? Directly from up or from rain, or the water is from underground water? Is it underground water or a rain water in the well? Underground water. Okay. Yes. How will get underground water? Somewhere through rain. Like well, there are so many other sources. Tube well, hand pump, taps, pipelines. All these are constructed. Borewell you would have seen, all of you. But do you know, if we this underground water is just like a bank account. Okay, how a bank account works? Tell me. If you put money in the bank, you can take the money out, yes or no? Move your heads. Yes, good. Yes, good. Very good. Now, if you don't put money in the bank and you keep on taking out, will you get money after some time? No, you will not get. So, similarly, underground water, how much we put, the lesser we should take out. Then only we'll be having enough water for emergencies. For example, you just think in the bank, you have only 10 rupees. Daily you want 10 rupees, daily you put 10 rupees in the bank and next day you take out. Okay. One day you have to buy something urgently. You don't have money. Do you have? No. If you put 20 rupees daily and you take out 5 or 10 rupees, will you have money when you need it? Yes. Similarly, how much water we put in earth, the lesser water we should take out. Do you know there are countries who do not have water at all? Now they have to buy water. Can you imagine buying water? For drinking one glass of water you have to buy. In Bangalore also, some of us are using Kaveri water. But for drinking, we can't use that river water. Why we can't use? Why we can't use river water directly for drinking? Raise your river water is namkeen because it is not neat. It is dirty. And who has made it dirty? Batao, who has made it dirty? We only have made it dirty. Okay, so because river water is dirty, what we have to do now for drinking? We have to buy water. Isn't it? Slowly, slowly, what will happen if river will be very dirty? What you have to do? You have to buy water for bathing also. Can you bath from a dirty water? Just imagine how much water. I am buying 40 rupees can for drinking. Can you buy a 40 rupees can for bathing? Just imagine. Then how will you use water? Imagine you are buying the water and using the water. Then you will be able to understand how much water where is necessary. Okay. Now, I'll tell you a story. Okay. I'll tell you a story. There were one brother and a sister, Rinku and Monu. Okay. They used to go to school daily, and while going to school, they used to see a beautiful pond. That beautiful pond and one beautiful river. Okay. In that river, there were so many fishes, frogs, and all the tiny, tiny water animals. When they used to go to school, they used to see the greenery around, they used to go near the pond, and they used to feed the fishes. They used to bring small balls of atta balls, okay, for feeding the fishes. It was on the way to school only. And they used to be very happy when they used to see fishes eating what they are feeding. They used to play near the river while coming from school. They used to love water. They used to love bath. At home also they used to play with water a lot. They used to have fun. Their favorite festival was Holi. In Holi they used to play from lot of water. They are in first standard. Slowly, slowly, they went in. When they reached in second standard, what happened? The river which was flowing near the road and they were feeding, they had to go down the road for feeding the fishes because the river has gone far from the road. Now they had to travel to feed the fishes. Now the fishes are less. They are not loving it, but okay, some fishes are still there and they are happy feeding them. Now they reach third standard and the river has gone too far. Have you all seen sometimes in summers the river will be very much full of water, the water will come near. Then in winters when there is no rain, what happens? The water level will go down and you have to travel a lot for a river. ओके सो उनको भी बहुत दूर तक अब जाना पड़ता था रिवर जो है वो दूर चली गई है पानी कम हो गया है रिवर का अभी थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड में गए तो उसमें एक भी फिश नहीं बचा अभी डेली वो इतना दूर तक जाते थे आटे की गोलियां लेकर बट जब वो रिवर पर पहुंचते थे और आटे की गोलियां फेंकते थे तो एक भी फिश खाने के लिए नहीं आती थी शायद उस रिवर में फिशेस बचे ही नहीं है अब वो जो दोनों हैं रिंकू और मोनू वो उदास रहने लगे क्योंकि वो जो फिशेस थी वो उनके फ्रेंड्स थे ना अगर तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स तुमसे दूर हो जाएंगे तो तुमको कैसा लगेगा अब वो जो दोनों हैं वो बहुत उदास रहने लगे बहुत सैड रहने लगे तो एक दिन उनके दादाजी ने उनसे पूछा कि तुमको क्या हुआ तुम इतने उदास क्यों हो तो उन्होंने बताया कि ऐसे ऐसे हमारे सारे फ्रेंड्स पता नहीं कहाँ चले गए हैं उस रिवर में एक भी फिश नहीं है एक भी फ्रॉग नहीं है हम किनके साथ खेलें हम किनको फीड करें तब दादाजी ने उनको बताया कि हम सभी लोग वो जो रिवर है ना वो सेक्रेड रिवर है आप लोग भी जाते होंगे ना गंगा रिवर पर पूजा करने के लिए रिवर्स पर या सुनो तो वैसे ही वो रिवर भी एक सेक्रेड रिवर थी तो क्या होता है उस सेक्रेड रिवर में सब लोग पूजा करने के लिए जाते थे वो लोग केमिकल वाले आइडियल्स जो हैं वो ये जो देखो जैसे ये जो है गणपति पूजा में सब लोगों ने उसमें केमिकल वाले आइडियल्स डाले जिनपे केमिकल लगा हुआ था पेंट जो होता है वो अच्छा नहीं होता है ना उसमें केमिकल्स होते हैं तो उन्होंने पानी में केमिकल वाले आइडल डाले हम लोग सिंपल मिट्टी का पुतला भी डाल सकते हैं मिट्टी के गणेशा बनाकर भी रिवर में डाल सकते हैं पूजा के लिए लेकिन कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं उसको बहुत सारा रंग बिरंगा केमिकल वाला पेंट करते हैं उससे पानी खराब हो जाता है कुछ लोग जो है फूल पत्ती और पन्नियां और पता नहीं क्या क्या डालते हैं तो उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ रिवर गंदी होने लगी और जो फिशेज है उनको क्या हुआ क्या तुम एक गंदे पानी में रह सकते हो Can you live in dirty water? How the fishes will live? Some of the fishes ate the plastic. You all know, no? If a fish eats a plastic, what will happen? They will not live. They will die. So all those animals will eat whatever will throw for them. So they ate plastic bottles, all the dirty things, and slowly they started. What happened? Dying. Some of them put kachra in the river. And some of them, what they do? All surf and everything they will put in the river. They will bath in the river. So what happened to the river? It was so clean earlier. Now it has become so dirty. Can an animal live in this water? No. So slowly all those animals started going. Now they came to know Rinku and Monu and they decided that Dada, I will make sure nobody dirties the river. And from that day onwards, they always stopped anyone who used to throw any garbage in that river. When we stop throwing, the rivers will clean automatically. Do you know that? Because now coronavirus is there, no? What is happening, do you know? Because people are not going to rivers, the rivers are clean again. So it is us who are ruining the nature. See, we want to worship the river, isn't it? Is this the way to worship a river? No. If we want to worship a river, we have to keep it clean. We have to take care of it. Yes or no? If we want to worship a nature, we want to worship trees, we have to take care of them. That is called worship. Now, what do we do for our flowers, our other things that we want to put in water? We have to find a proper way. For example, if it is flowers, see, river is also a nature, isn't it? And soil is also nature. Yes or no? Nature you all know, no? Yes. So, what we can do? Instead of river, we can dig a hole and put all our flowers in the soil. And plastic we should not at all buy only. By this, slowly, if we'll take care of our nature, the nature will take care of us also. See, if we'll dirty the nature, we'll cut the trees, what will happen? There will be no rains. No rains means, do you get water? Will our bank account of underground water will be filled? If there is no rain, underground water will be filled or not? No. So, we have to think about it. You all have to think about it, how we can reduce the use of water and how we can reuse water. What is reuse of water? For example, you have used water for one thing. Okay. After that, instead of throwing the water in the drains, put the water in the mud, in the plants. So what will happen? The water will clean itself in the mud and go down the ground. And what it will become? Underground water. Yes or no? So this was today's class. Now what all of you will do? You will open your EVS books, see all the activities to be done. I know you all can do. But if there is any confusion, you all can ask Madam anytime on WhatsApp. Okay, you will complete your EVS textbook activities. You will fill how much buckets of water you use in a day and how much you can use, how much you can reduce, and find out where you are wasting water. What? Textbooks activity to be done in textbook only, and one worksheet I will send for the class work. Okay, do you all got it? Worksheet I will send, textbook activities you all have to do, and everything need not to be done in one day. Daily, all of you will do, all of you will do little daily. Before the next Friday, you should finish your work. Everything need not to be done one day, in one day. Daily little you do and do it in a very beautiful handwriting. Okay? Yes, very good. Worksheet I will send in the evening after the second session. Okay, after 4 o'clock. Okay. Now you all can go slowly. All of you can cut the phone. Bye bye. Okay. Bye to everyone. Bye children. Bye bye. Bye children. Bye children.